when we think of Adlib, there's essentially two communities of people that you potentially could be talking to. The left-hand side of the slide are the groups of people that actually have to maintain, deploy, support the product. So our innovation and features are around how do we do throughput, maximum throughput? How do we elastically scale? What data and document security do we apply? The things that the typical end user would know about, but somebody that's actually in IT and has to administer the application cares about every day. And that's the stuff that you see on the left-hand side of the slide. We have a really good story for that. And it's one of the reasons why many of the larger OEM technical partners are embedding our technology into their own applications. It's because of the stuff on the left. The stuff on the right is really what we think makes us differentiated in this space. These are the things that the end users witness, the line of businesses witness. So pixel perfect accuracy, we literally are the best in the industry. So when you take a CAD drawing for a nuclear facility, it needs to be an exact representation of that CAD drawing. There can be no pixels lost, no OCR errors, nothing. So what we've done through the years is really, maximize, optimize the way we render documents to PDF. We do this at scale for 300 file types. So we're not just Word and Excel. If you got a customer that has old Lotus Notes and Word Perfect files, anything that's in their system, and you may be like kind of giggling, who has those anymore? Well, it happens a lot when there's like acquisition, or they're digitizing, 40-year-old documents from hard copy to paper. We get asked a lot to actually take these legacy documents and move them to a more current standard like PDF. The document assembly stuff you'll see as we go through the demo. Compliance validation is really around, hey, a document is about to be submitted to a regulatory authority. We would like to check the document to see if it is technically accurate. Not the content of the document, but is the maximum file size okay? Is the font size okay? Is the PDF version okay? Are the hyperlinks underlined? Like all those things that are on that checklist, we have the ability to automate the validation prior to submission to the regulatory body. And interoperability is all around how we connect to the different connectors that you're about to see.